from the last two sessions, we are learning about the list. And trust me, list is too big and very important. It will require few more sessions. We have learned how to declare a list, how to access the element of the list. But in programming, we face many situations where we have to access the specific part of the list, or we can say get the slice of the list. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session, and today we'll study how to slice the list. Suppose we have the list variable languages and it has values C, C++, Java, Python and JavaScript. To get the first two elements of the list, we will write print and inside print write languages. After variable write colon 2 in square brackets like this. Let's run the code. Here we got the first two element from the list. Now suppose we want all the elements from the second index. For that we will write print, then list variable and in the square brackets 2 colon. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Now suppose you want a slice of the list starting from first index to the second index. We will write a print statement and then the language variable and in square bracket we will write 1 colon 3. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Observe these three statements carefully. In the first statement, we have not mentioned the starting point. Hence, it considers 0 as the starting point. In the second statement, we wrote 2 colon. Since we have not mentioned the end point, it pick up the max length of the list. Now, suppose you want element from the right side, like the last two elements in the list. Or you want a second value from the end. To handle this, we use negative numbers. We will print language variable and inside it we will mention -2 as the index. Let's run the code. See, we got the second value from the right side. We will now write the code to get the last two values from the list. Write a print statement, then languages variable and in the square bracket we will write -2 colon. Let's run the code. You see, we got the last two values from the list. I hope you understood the slicing of the list. Please try different combination and try to understand how the slicing works. But remember one thing. If you try to access the 8th element from the list like this, you will get an error, out of range error, because the 8th element doesn't exist in the list. Please practice hard. To see more example, visit this URL. Thanks for watching.